Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Aesthetic Tech Guy here, and today I got an unboxing review of the boat, Bass Heads 900. You probably read this as 006, but it's 900. So let's check them out. It's pretty good headphones, like a pretty small one, light, cheap, and nice quality and good bass. Let's check them out. Come along. So hey guys, yeah, these are the boat Extra Bass Heads 900. So let's quickly unbox these stuff. So I was actually kind of surprised in unboxing these because these there's like no, what do you say, seal on this. It's just like a pamphlet kind of box that just slides off and you got these. So alright, let's just check out some of the specs and stuff written here. So as you can see, it says, let me just switch on the autofocus. Alright, so super extra bass, 1-button microphone, feather light. These are hands-free and foldable. I like that about them. And yeah, this is pretty much the front. Let's just put that to the side. It's the unboxing part. Okay, nothing special going on here. So alright, those are the headphones. Let's see what we got here. So this is a kind of, what do you say, a warranty card, I guess. Yeah, it's 1-year manufacturer warranty. There's some social media stuff, and yeah, pretty cool. I like the designing and stuff actually. Oh, this is a nice pamphlet. It's pretty good. You got other products. Boat offers, plug into Nirvana. I suppose that's their slogan. You got some other stuff here. They have speakers, USB-C cables and stuff. Their Instagram, Facebook, and all this stuff. Alright, I'm gonna put them in. Let's pull off the headphones. So the headphones seem to be pretty neatly wrapped. The wire, you can see the 3.5mm jack. That looks pretty cool. It's like your electric guitar amplifier jack. Okay, so that's it. So I was really wondering, like, I suppose the headphones are really small because of the packaging, but these are pretty compact and nice. Nice feel to it. Let me just zoom out a bit. So as you can see, we got both logos here, extendable metal things. So both's written here. So these are, even the ear cups are a bit foldable, you can see it. And yeah, pretty cool headsets. Now for the review part. I've actually been using these headsets for about, I don't know, a month. I ordered them because these were the like cheapest ones I could find. Like, they were on sale. I got them for 800 rupees. And this is like a fake leather cushion stuff. You got like I don't know what this is. The cable's attached. 3.5mm jack. Let me give you a bit of cinematic shots of these. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a quick comparison of these between the Motorola's I have, the Pulse Max, which I unboxed in an earlier video. You can check them out. So let's just do it again. They're still in the box because I've never used them. So okay, these things are pretty huge. Yeah, you see them? These things are huge, guys. And these are pretty compact. As you can see them side by side. This is the Motorola's detachable audio cable. It too has a microphone. And what do you say? Button, and yeah, even the boats have this microphone and play, pause and stuff button. So as you can see, the size comparison, it's pretty huge, these things, and they're not as much foldable as these things. There's kind of a review comparison of these things, and they're pretty heavy. Alright, you can see them. These are heavy stuffs. These look like pretty light in comparison. So I guess the boats are better. I don't know exactly, but I'm totally betting on the boats. The other reason I really like the boats is because their sound quality and bass. These ones, the Motorola's I bought, these stuffs are costed me around 1100 rupees, and these ones costed me around 800 rupees. So of course they're also cheaper. I think they're lighter and better quality, and the sound and bass of this thing is amazing. I can't give you like a sound quality test, but you can rely on me. These are pretty good. But the build quality of Motorola's are actually nice. They'll survive for long, even though they were in a package. And these ones have been doing pretty well. I've actually used them pretty roughly, so I don't exactly know. So that was kind of my review and unboxing of the boats, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me your views about the video. Subscribe to the channel for more fun stuff. See you soon, guys.